In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a data source. DataSource stores and provides data from a form to a component. By default, the form can also be used as the source. However, if you want to combine data from two or more forms, you should use the data source. Click on New and add a title to it. Select an original form. To choose the desired data, click on the checkbox next to the corresponding fields. Next, save the data source. On the left side, there's a representation that informs about the forms linked to the selected form. To combine data from these forms, click on the name of the desired form, and the fields will become available. Below, you can sort the selected data in ascending or descending order. Additionally, you can manipulate this data and store it in new variables by performing operations such as counting occurrences, summing values, calculating averages, and identifying maximum and minimum values. Choose an operation type and select the field that stores the data. In the Alias section, provide a name for the variable that will store the result of the manipulation. Click on Save and Close to complete this step. Finally, whenever you want to use this data source, simply select it in the Source section of a compatible component. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Builder, check out our other tutorials on YouTube. You can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Check the links in the video description.